Arr, matey, it's Miss Esther, ready to teach you about our new letter. This letter's name is R, just like a pirate would say, R. Can you say that name with me? R. R the rhino loves to roller skate. And as he roller skates, the skates on the road make the sound. Pretend your hands are the skates making that sound. If you forget the action, it's right here on the back of the book. Let's hear in this song about how R the rhino is skating down the road. You can do this action with me while it's done in the song.
R the rhinoceros rapidly races on roller skates down a rainy
Ready, go.
He's really trying to reach the end of the rainbow.
Again, ready?
His red roller skates roar as he races down the road.
An enjoyable activity you can do to help you remember the sound of R is found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity Book. You get a car and you dip the wheel in paint and then you go like this. Look at all those different tracks that come from all the different cars that I've been able to dip in paint. Another fun activity to review the sounds you've taught so far, or that have been taught to you so far, is by making a road, and the stalls or the parking lots will be all the alphabet letters you've learned. So as you're driving down the road, your instructor will say, hey, park your car under H. And you drive down the road and then you go, and you find H. Or she might say, park your car in the letter R, and you go down the road, you park it in there. So those are some fun things to enjoy. When you're ready for the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Reader book, you can review words that begin with the letter R. R as in ran, rib, rat, and run, and so forth. And then here's a fun story strip to help you get ready to read your story about where Ron is going to run to. So this is Ron ran to the cab. Let's take off the word cab and let's add this. And let's just take off the word Ron. Let's put this one. Dad ran to the bus. What if we go like this? Now let's try it. Mom and Dad ran to the bus. Oh, so fun. So you can kind of play around with different words that you've learned so far to make a new story. That will help you with your word identification. And now you're ready to read the story about Ron running to someone who loves him very much. I think he wants to get a hug. So these and other ideas can be found at the website www.seeheardocompany.com.